Hi, I'm Yari. I'm a software engineer, and the last 5.5 years I've been at Meta, focused on cybersecurity. It is, how do I recover my hacked Facebook account? The number one. Software is up to date, two-factor authentication set up, and you have a recovery key or contact in place. It's this spicy stingray dish, and I've had that at, I think, the Tiang Bahru Hawker Market, and I just love that. You know, you have to kind of stay one step ahead of the bad guys. But I also find it very satisfying knowing that the work that I've done at Meta and other places is ultimately it's about protecting people and their right to privacy. You do not need a VPN. What's most important though is updating your iOS or Android operating system to the latest version. We can't blame the user. I think there's far too much blaming of people who just want to get on with their day. No, you shouldn't use it. That's your password. Can. Just can. Everyone can. Singapore is a country of can.